If you don't like math, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging and even frustrating at times. But what if I told you that understanding math can be simpler than you think? Even if you have to learn it for school or work, there are ways to make it easier and more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to see math in a new light, this is for you. Let's start with something simple. Imagine you've got 2 apples in your hand. Now, someone comes along and hands you 2 more apples. What do you do next? You count them all together. How many apples do you have now? That's right, 4. But why does this work? Why does adding 2 apples to 2 more apples always give us 4 apples? The answer lies in the basic principles of counting and addition. When we count, each number represents a step forward. Think of it like climbing a ladder. You start at 2 and take 2 more steps. Where do you end up? On the 4th step. It's that simple. This concept is fundamental to understanding math. Now let's think of numbers as building blocks. Imagine you have 2 blocks. You add 2 more blocks to your stack. When you stack them up, you have 4 blocks. It's a visual and tangible way to understand addition. Easy peasy. This method can help you grasp more complex math concepts later on. Even our fingers can be useful tools for learning math. Hold up 2 fingers on one hand. It's a simple way to visualize numbers. Now hold up 2 fingers on the other hand. Count them all together and voila! You have 4 fingers in total. This hands-on approach makes learning math more interactive and fun. So whether it's apples, blocks, or fingers, the underlying idea remains the same. Addition is a way of combining quantities. 2 plus 2 always leads us to 4. It's a fundamental rule of math that we rely on every day. This basic rule helps us understand bigger and more complex math problems as we progress in our learning. Math is a way of counting, organizing, and making sense of the world around us. It's a tool that we use in countless ways. Remember, every complex concept in math starts with simple truths like 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the next time you encounter a math problem, think back to these basic principles. They are the building blocks of all mathematical understanding. Now go impress your friends with your newfound math smarts. See you next time.